¿Qué es la que hay? Welcome back. I'm glad to have you guys again in my channel. Welcome to Tony West DIY. My name is Wes, and today we're gonna cover the bulb size for the Acura RSX. From 2002 and 2006, most of the bulbs are the same. There's a couple of differences between the 2002, 2004, and 2005, 2006. Those are two different models, and it's more on the headlights. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll appreciate that. It will support me and will help me a lot. Thanks to you guys, all the other ones that are subscribing. Since I posted the video talking about the 3% of subscribers, basically I'm talking, and what I'm saying is 97% of the people that watch my videos don't subscribe. So lately I've been having a lot of subscribers, and I really appreciate that. And basically this is the last episode of the series bringing back the RSX. I created this series because I moved to Maryland from Germany. I needed to register the car. I went to inspect the car and it failed miserably. I thought that was gonna be fine, but no. I had to fix the wipers because they were stopped random positions. You can check that video as well clicking on this card. I replaced the struts and the tie rod ends as well. I'm enjoying. I feel the nice ride now. I feel the difference. But that I failed because of that as well. I decided to put AC on the car because Maryland traffic, so I did that as well. And then today we're gonna be replacing the bulbs. So I'm gonna give you a full guide of the sides, and yeah, stay tuned. So this is the location for the trunk light. It goes like that, plugs there in that plug, and then it clips here. So I removed it in the last video to get access to the struts, rear struts, and the size of this bulb is 168. Let's see if I can take it out with one hand here. And this is how it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna replace from one of these LED bulbs because I kind of like the look. I'm gonna install it and then I'm gonna keep shooting. So here it is. I'm just gonna plug it back like I mentioned, that plug, put it, and then I'm gonna move to the license plate one. So for the license plate bumper, push it back. And this is how it looks. It does have this cover as well. I'm gonna clean it before installation, but that's the plug. And I removed already the bulb out. So I'm just gonna clean the area, clean the cover, and then install the bulb. So same size, no hard at all. And then you just install the cover. One of the things you have to remember is that LED lights are polarized specific. They don't work. Take them out and put it the other way, and it should work. Okay, so I'm gonna replace this one as well, those two. Right now, the normal light, you see the color of it, and then the dome light. For this one, you kind of press this side, and then with a flathead, you can pull it down. So I'm gonna try to show the procedure to show you guys. see the difference between the lights. Yeah, it looks a lot better. And for this one, you try to put the flathead between the gray plastic and the clear plastic cover, and then pull it down. I'm gonna do the same, record and then talk through. This car has two bulbs, one on each side on the rear taillights, and these are the same as the trunk light 168. I don't think it will matter that much, since you know the taillights are, the cover is red, but you know I'm just gonna replace them anyway and then show you how I did it. Same with these ones, but these ones are amber type, and the 168 that I have is just white, so I'm not gonna replace those. To remove or replace these bulbs, the taillights have a cover that you just press and then pull, and then you have access to the light. You twist it and there you go, you pull it, that simple. So I'm just gonna do that and then keep shooting. One thing I will recommend, once you install the bulb, make sure you test it, turn on the lights, because it's polarity specific. Like I mentioned before, all LEDs are like that. So if you install the whole thing and then it doesn't work, you will have to remove the whole thing again. So I tested it, it's working, so I'm just gonna put it back. So to recap, we replaced today the map and dome light, trunk light, and the license plate as well. So I really want to show you guys how it looked, but it's still 4:30 p.m. so the sun is still out. I'm gonna try and travel a couple hours after, so you guys can see, and then I'll be back. Remember to subscribe, press the subscribe button, press the bell button. Oh crap! Let's wrap this up. This is the last episode for this series, bringing back the RSX. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole series, and it was a lot of good information. Basically, the car is clean now. It is inspection ready, so it's safe. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. So please remember to subscribe to get more content. And basically now I'm gonna focus more on the RX-7, excuse me, because I want to drive this bad boy. And if you have any question, send me a PM through Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or email TonyWestDIY@gmail.com. I always try to reply fast as I can. And the car is inspection ready, like I mentioned before, but basically I didn't need to inspect it because of